Ronak Sadhwani belongs to which game? Chess. Which state has announced the creation of 4 new districts in the state as well as the development of parks exclusively for women in all districts of the state? Chhattisgarh. Which bank has announced the introduction of green and sustainable deposits to safeguard the environment from climate change? HDFC. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has approved proposals for the construction of how many houses under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban? 16,488. Vandana Kataria will be the brand ambassador of which state's Department of Women Empowerment and Child Development? Uttarakhand. Which state/union territory will host the first edition of the Himalayan Film Festival 2021? Ladakh. How many Hunar Haats will be organized across the country under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav? 75. Which season of the popular series Rag Rag Mein Ganga has been launched? Second. Which hospital has become the first hospital in India to house a fire station inside the hospital premises? AIIMS Delhi. Which bank has recently launched its flagship business mentoring program MSME Prerana in West Bengal? Indian Bank. Which state will provide smart fitness cards below Baiju Swasthya Kalyan Yojana? Odisha. The world's second largest refurbished state-of-the-art National Gene Bank will be in which city? New Delhi. Which country has imposed a 3-day snap national lockdown due to COVID? New Zealand. Justice Aisha Malik became the first woman Chief Justice of which country? Pakistan. How many Vande Bharat trains would connect different parts of the country in 75 weeks of the celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav? 75.